Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand how to carry out quick analysis using Sparklines in Excel. So for this, we'll go in Excel workbook. I'll select the data. A small icon will appear. This is about quick analysis. Click on it. Activate the Sparkline in it. Activate the line. Now you can see the Sparkline is ready. We can select the style from here. High point, low point, negative points if they are first point, last point, and markers. We can also change the color of Sparkline from here. Even the marker color can also be changed. Moreover, you can now change this Sparkline to column Sparkline. Again, high point, low point, negative points if they are first point, last point. Styles can be selected. Sparkline color as well as the marker color. I want to indicate high point by some another color. Now you can also convert this Sparkline into win-loss provided that you are having a negative data in your data set. So this was all about the Sparkline in Excel. For more videos on Excel, kindly subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to share and like my videos. You can also refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. You can join me on LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram. Link given in the description box.